progress in the Irish language and you don't know where to begin. So I am going to share some tips with you today to help you see that dulchán chin, that progress bit by bit. Okay, something that I would do is I would write out a number of phrases and put them in a little bowl or a pot or a hat or whatever and pick them out and make it a challenge to try and use that phrase every day that week. Okay, so I'm gonna pick out one here just as an example, mar hampla, and see what we get. Lovely. So zas lauertslaat, zas lauertslaat. Nice chatting to you, nice talking to you. That could be a great one to use with somebody. And yeah, it's just a really great way to be incorporating Irish go léithúil daily, even go seachtainúil on a weekly basis. Agus má tá páistí agad, if you've got children, get them involved. It'd be great for you to pass on some of these phrases to them as well, and for them to learn a little bit more. So that would be tip number one. Okay, so we want to make this realistic and doable for many people. Sitting down and doing extensive study is just maybe not practical, nisha practical. For other people it is wonderful. This is a resource, this is a book that I really recommend to near enough everybody actually, is the Gaeilge Ganstro beginner's level. Okay, what I love about this book is it goes through each topic. It teaches you, again, bite-sized chunks, and what I love is that there's downloadable audio, and a great thing for you to have on when you're out on a walk, or maybe on your run, or maybe you're driving to work, just to have it in playing in the car, or on your phone. And it's a great way to be, again, listening to the Irish language on a daily basis. And it could be for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it doesn't matter, but it's in a nice kind of amount that you're able to take in. And also as well, podcasts are great obviously, but for some people they are a little bit advanced and they want something just a little bit simpler, so that could be a really great thing to do, just to be listening to the Irish language more. Okay, so I absolutely love sticky notes, and you're thinking, okay, why sticky notes? I would be writing down maybe my phrase of the week and sticking it up maybe on the fridge. If I was learning another language, if I was learning Spanish, I would be labelling the things that are around me, maybe in Spanish. The same for Irish. It could be a really just fun way, and again, to get the kids involved, labelling things. Kids love to do that. Again, just a way of just incorporating, bringing Irish into the house, bringing Irish into the home. For many people, Béarla is the príomhthanga, English is the main language, and you're just trying to incorporate and bring more Gaeilge into the home. That would be really great. Another thing I would do is keep some sort of a dialann, some sort of a diary, and you can be documenting your language learning journey. Some of the things that you've been picking up during the week, maybe your phrase of the week, maybe something else that you heard on a podcast or on the TV, whatever it is, and you can be looking back in months to come and say, wow, look what I learned, look how much Irish I've gathered. And do you know what the beautiful thing about any language is? To gather some of those beautiful rich phrases on Cyprus Tanga. The richness of a language is so beautiful, and it's so lovely to be collecting and documenting some of these things as well. Okay, I don't want to make this video any longer. If anyone would like to see a part 2 of me maybe giving some more tips, let me know. Mátá se begúir níos mó Gaeilge ólam, leannaigh mar an na man ho síalta agus fecha me sa géadéis sinál se bachárte slán go fólín.